Hi there, it's Krista with WTI. I'm always on the lookout for products that simplify my home care and add a little touch of beauty. And when I found this Venatork stone bath mat set, I knew I had found something very special. These mats are sleek and modern in appearance, giving a luxurious spa-like aesthetic. But what's more, they are incredibly effective. This set is made of diatomaceous earth that is remarkably absorbent and dries very quickly. As you can see here, when I step onto the mat directly from the shower, the wet footprints disappear almost instantly. We've been thoroughly impressed with the versatile design of these stone mats. The soft gray color and wave pattern is very neutral and coordinates beautifully with the other decor in our home. We've used them in both our bathroom and kitchen spaces. Maintenance of this set has been a breeze. A simple wipe down keeps them looking pristine on a day-to-day basis, but if I do happen to encounter any staining, the sanding pads that were provided will work wonders to make them look new again. This Venatork stone bath mat set is the perfect combination of both functional and stylish. If you're looking to elevate the aesthetic of your bathroom and also the post-shower experience, then you'll need to check out this set. And that's my point of view.